Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on new look first look at new features on your account on Xtwitcher. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click notifications, now click preferences, now click push notifications, and here you will find it. You'll find it here, first look at new features. Click on it and it will be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.